It is Thursday, July 17th, 2025, and I'm on the streets of Kinkerstraat and Tenkasstraat. I pronounced that wrong. And there's a cool little farmer's market that's been here for a couple days. It's about 9:30 right now, and they're setting up. I've been in this neighborhood for about 3 days, and they seem to be here pretty much every day from the morning till about 5 or 6 p.m. You can see they're still setting up. There's a lot of cool little things. Got hats, random things, produce, fresh veggies, sunglasses, got fresh olives, sausage, sandwiches, got hot chicken. It smells really, really good. Strollers. Got a food court right here. More fresh produce. Looks super good and fresh. And this place sells fresh nuts and other candies. It smells really good. Nuts, dates, candies. Fresh orange juice at a good price. Got a Vietnamese store. Got fresh empanadas, fresh honey, fresh fish, luggage, purses, fresh coffee. Looks like Indian food and it smells pretty good. Got more stuff over here. Looks like it's fresh olives and other items. Got a small grocery store. Other shops looks like they sell threads to sew and other sewing stuff. And more produce. It all looks really, really good. It looks good and clean. So yeah, they're still setting up, but it's a cool little market. Good hummus, all types of hummus. It looks like. And they have fresh pastries and bread right here. It smells really, really good. Looks like they make it right there. Oh nee, die we gewoon ja. En een klein wit. Wat is deze? Nee, dat heb je lekker verschil, anders een kleine stokje. Ja, is die vrouw nog lekker? Ja hoor. Ja. 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 Dat is voor mij, hè? And we got cheeses and hams over here. And that's about it. The whole place is about a whole block from here to all the way at the end and across the street. It's a quiet neighborhood. It's also a couple coffee restaurants. So it's a cool little spot if you want to explore. Seems like a lot of these places, the stuff is freshly made and they just set up shop outside of their stores. And that's it for this video. The streets over here are 10 Kastrestraat and Bellamistraat. Cross streets if you want to find it. And it's near the city pub, Amsterdam hostel. That's easier to find. So yeah, check it out. Be sure to like and subscribe. Alright, that's it for a quick video. Bye!